Hi, I'm Chase, a Build.com project expert. Welcome back to our FAQ series, Glad You Asked. Today's question is, how do I choose panel-ready appliances? Panel-ready appliances are perfect for creating a high-end designer look in the kitchen. If you've ever seen a kitchen where the dishwasher and refrigerator are completely hidden and wondered how it was done, this video will let you in on that secret. Panel-ready appliances are specifically designed to accept false doors, also called overlay panels, that match your cabinets exactly and blend seamlessly. You can find dishwashers, refrigerators, freezers, and even specialty appliances like wine coolers and warming drawers that are designed to accept overlay panels. Some of these appliances come with removable fronts, so you can choose between the factory finish and the custom panel. Let's head into the Build.com kitchen set for a closer look. So this kitchen really features a panel-ready look to most of our appliances. We've got it right here on our freezer, our refrigerator, and our wine fridge. On our appliances, we send those specs over to our custom cabinet makers, and from there they're able to make this beautiful panel, which really blends in the kitchen quite well. Panel-ready appliances are typically counter depth, so they blend in seamlessly in the surrounding cabinets. We installed panels on the dishwasher, as well as the column refrigerator, freezer, and wine cooler. We also installed matching cabinet hardware to complete the look. So if it's time to update your kitchen, consider installing panel-ready appliances for a custom designer look. To learn more about panel-ready appliances, check out our buying guide by clicking the link below. Visit Build.com to shop for everything you need for your next project. And if you have questions, our project experts are available to help you by phone, email, or chat. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, or subscribe to our channel. And tune in next time when we answer a new question on Glad You Asked. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this one, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel below. And head on over to Build.com for everything you need for your next project.